Claudia from Spring Shadows has a question about attic cleanup.
That is a sad question. She's looking to do some repairs in her 52-year-old home, Tom. And Claudia writes, I want to replace all the horizontal galvanized pipe in my attic and install hardy plank and the soffits. And here's where the story goes sad. She says, an animal tore off the soffit screen and got into the attic. And then about 11 years ago, we had a roof job, and there was one of these composition over wood shingle jobs where they had to pull it off and deck it. And of course, they left lots of shingles in the attic. Then they put fiberglass in there, for insulation, and it got moldy up there. And bottom line is, she wants, and she has some stuff they put up there, she wants somebody to come clean everything out of that attic and start fresh. And Claudia wants your advice on getting that done before the repiping and the residing happens.
Yeah, call insulation companies. I don't know of one particular one to call,
right?
But they have vacuum trucks, and they'll go up there and they'll clean attics out. It's going to be more money than you want to spend, and while you're just doing the horizontal galvanized, I find it really something I would tell you, don't do that. Call TDT and look into the E-pipe, not E-pipe, but the Ace Duraflow.
Same thing.
Or E-pipe, right?
Yep.
Same thing, where they can reline those pipes because you'll still have problems with your vertical runs eventually. So let's get it all fixed right. And it's going to be a lot easier than replacing just the horizontal runs and leaving yourself with a problem. So I would tell you this is get one of those companies that'll come out and vacuum that attic out real well. If you do replace your soffit again, if you have that screen, use a 1/8 inch hardware cloth. There's not an animal that can get through that. And then you can go ahead and deal with your pipes as you want to. But I would encourage you to call TDT and talk to Vic or Gary, whoever answers the phone, about their system before you make the decision to replace just the horizontal pipes.
You have no idea what you're biting off to change those horizontal pipes out. It's not. And you think that that's where all the problem is, and it's not.
It shows up there first.
Right,
that's true.
But it shows up in connections all over the place.
And then the corrosion on the inside, on the vertical runs, they'll start to lose water pressure. You got the rust buildup. It's just a mess.
Yeah, you're biting off a bad program there. And here's the other part of that is it protects your entire plumbing system when
that's right. It's all brand new. Yeah. And your water pressure comes back. There's no rust. And if you're not sure what it is, go to our website, HomeShowRadio.com, and hit the TDT icon and visit their website and just visually take a look at it. Because that will at least kind of open up the juices to at least maybe you can call them and have a conversation.
Well, we'll see you and raise you one on that.
Okay.
Go to that page and you'll find videos that show them doing that process, and you'll understand it. Or go to they've got the same videos over on their website too. So
all right,
they are trusted pros from way
very
back
good.
when.
Experts.
So, in fact, Gary sent me pictures just today. He's working on.
Did he?
He did.
Yes. Is he working on a new car?
No.
Okay.
Gary does frame-off restoration on old cars.
Work.
He did my father-in-law's Mustang, his Mach 1. And
he did?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Did a fantastic
I didn't know.
job.
I thought he just did it for himself.
No.
Oh, I'd like to see that.
He did a great job with it. But he's they're over there practicing for an offshore job, and they're building all of these risers and stuff out of PVC and running all the tests so that when they go 30 miles offshore, they have everything they need with them. So that's the kind of company they are. And trust me, they'll fix your horizontals without removing them.
Yeah. I wouldn't do that. That's a bad picture.
But you know, it's a good picture. No. Go ahead and send us your video. Send us your questions and we'll answer them. Just what?
Don't touch me.
Send us. We'll answer them just like that. Like these ones over here. Use the Ask Tom form. It's at HomeShowRadio.com.
Ding.